today is my first day with Dentures. Um, I got them about an hour ago. Uh, I went to the dentist a little while ago. I'm sorry, my tripod's bouncing. I thought I would talk to the camera a little bit. Uh, yeah. Overall, I mean, the dentures feel weird. I mean, to be honest with you, but today is day one. I mean, I've had them maybe 2 hours. Um, they it's gonna take some getting used to. I mean, I have been trying to drink a little bit, but I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat like this today. My dentures are they're not immediate because I mean I had my teeth pulled over a time period, so I don't know, I'm about 4 months out from having all my teeth pulled. So it's been about 4 months, and I didn't have any teeth at all. So I mean, I've just been waiting for my gums to heal. One thing I do notice is I'm getting a lot of saliva, like you know, which is weird. I guess because it thinks there's something to eat in my mouth since these dentures are in there. Um, Later on in the process, these will be attached through implants, but I don't have enough healing time yet, so they're just like dentures right now. My dentist is going to go back and put denture. Put the implants where these will be snap-ins. But she wants to wait for my my bone to heal. But anyway, I just thought I'd come on here and share this with you. And I look back and think, would I do this before? If you look at some of my videos on my channel, I ain't having teeth. So yeah, I would do it. The day is the first day, so I know I got a long way to go. And I haven't tried to eat. I mean, I have drank something. I do have a nasty dip habit, like, dipping tobacco, which you ain't gonna do with this, or you're gonna slobber that stuff all over everything. So, in a good way, maybe that'll help me quit dipping. You know, it's a really expensive ordeal. It's a long ordeal. I have a great dentist, and I'm really, really happy with her. She's, she's baby me. I ain't gonna lie, cause I've always been scared of the dentist, or I wouldn't have waited until my 50s to get dentures, or have something done to my teeth. But anyway, I mean, I like the way they look. I mean, I think they look awesome as far as the way they look. I ain't done that in a long time, and it makes you feel good to be able to smile and not, usually I go, I cover my mouth. Really, what I wanted to do, I wasn't really intentional on making a video. I was just going to talk to the camera, to kind of help, figure out how to talk again. And I'm looking at time, so I just figured this will be my first video with dentures. If you're out there and you have problems with your teeth, if you have dentures, or wanting to get dentures, go for it. I mean, it's better than no teeth, or like, they look awesome. I just hope I'm gonna be able to eat and adjust and be able to eat with them. And I hope they're not just for viewing. I hope I can be doing some chewing. So, but like I said, today's the very first day. It's a couple hours, and I wanted to document it. I'm very pleased with the way it looked. Um, I think it turned out good. I mean, they don't feel too big, but it is weird having teeth in my mouth because I've been so long without it. Yeah, I'm slobbering, so if I talk loud, a lot, like kind of like I normally talk, I get like a tremendous amount of saliva, but I hope that'll go away. Seems like if I slow things down to and try to be more precise, but like I said, this is only a few hours old, and I can actually say something. So, uh, but anyway, I'll keep adding to this. Excuse me. It's gonna be probably a long video, so I'm just gonna splice day by day and try to go until I can actually talk real good and eat, and I'll take you down the path of my journey or down the down the road, whatever. I mean, share my experience, whatever. But anyway, y'all keep watching. Be interested in this, and if you have any questions, well, you ain't gonna be able to see this until I edit it all together. I don't know. I might as well just make it a video or not. I don't know. I don't know if I should just add like a. I don't mean who would watch a 2 hour video about 30 days of dentures. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I'll do yet. But if you see this video, um, this is kind of what you're going to expect for the first day. Granted, I haven't had any teeth pulled since January, so if you had some teeth pulled today and you got dentures, it'd probably be a whole different story. You'd probably be like, but for me, really, in all reality, I'm just talking to this camera because I'm trying to learn how to talk again, and I don't know. I thought maybe this might be helpful to somebody other than me. I mean, it's helping me like trying to get my voice back, and it's nice to have a smile. Um, I know it's not natural teeth, but I mean, it is what it is. It's what I could afford. I think altogether is about like $6,000, maybe so. Yeah, 5 or 6. Said and done, teeth pulled, dentures, and the implants. I think she's gonna do for free because she's awesome, and she wants to finish the journey with me, and she thinks the bottom looks so good. She wants to go ahead and do that, and hopefully I'll be able to do the maybe forearm or whatever they do on the top with the I keep saying dentures, but with the implants. So it'll still be an adventure. So maybe I'll just post this video, and I'll let you know. Like I go back to the dentist Monday, so maybe if I post this video now, I can tell you something different Monday. Now I'm on drugs a little bit, so that's kind of why I'm a little loopy. Just a little like pain medicine. Well, not really pain medicine, like anxiety medicine. Kind of because all this is like a lot. So, but anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and if you found this helpful, interesting, funny, stupid, or got anything from it, if you ask some questions, because it'd be a whole lot easier for me to answer in the comments. But anyway, I appreciate it. I appreciate everybody taking the time to watch and like, share, subscribe. My channel is free. I don't charge you anything. And it's usually a knife channel or a review channel. But today is going to be a teeth channel. I was kind of scared to post it because I didn't want everybody knowing my business, but I think maybe I'll let this one slide because I mean before everybody's like that dude ain't got no teeth, but I do now, and I can actually be myself. I mean, because I'm a pretty funny dude, or used to be, but I was like, resting bitch face or bastard face because I'm a guy. But anyway, not anymore. But I appreciate it. I am in rambling territory now. Y'all have a good one. Thank you. Later.